Hey y'all, Zoe here. So it's been a while since I've uploaded my last YouTube video. I think the last upload was like May 2019. And for like the 20 loyal subscribers out there who have seen both of my vlogs, the purpose of the channel was essentially for me to vlog my experience going from a senior stat major at Virginia Tech, transitioning into whatever was coming next, whether that be industry or academia. It's probably a very, very big undersell to say that like a lot of stuff has happened over the past year. And I'm gonna preface this video by saying like I'm not gonna edit this. It's been a year and I just need to get some content out. So I'm just gonna kind of ramble for however long this video goes. If I make mistakes, deal with it. Okay, so let's backtrack. Last video I released, I had just presented some undergrad research during the last semester of my senior year at Tech. I presented at RECOM 2019, and RECOM just stands for Research in Molecular Computational Biology. It's a big bioinformatics conference, but it was in DC, and it was close to Blacksburg, so I drove up there and presented a poster. Since uploading that video, a lot has kind of changed. I graduated from Virginia Tech with a dual bachelor's degree, one in statistics and one in computational modeling and data analytics. And then I have 2 minors in math and computer science. So I meant to really post vlogs during the summer. Like I thought this was going to be the prime time to really upload content to my YouTube channel. And the reason I say that is during the summer I worked as a statistical consultant with Virginia Tech's Department of Statistics, and that was really kind of boring, so I didn't do much. I didn't do much consulting. And I also developed coursework for a esteemed A class. The introductory machine learning class for CMD at Tech. I helped develop a lot of the online lectures and assignments for the summer portion of that course. And then I moved out of my lecturing apartment and I went back home to my hometown to stay with my parents for like a month, and then I moved to Seattle. So hopefully the title of the video is kind of giving it away, but I chose academia, and I am a PhD student in the Department of Genome Sciences in the University of Washington School of Medicine. I'm advised by a really cool guy. His name is Eric Matson IV. He is a professor in Fred Hutchinson's. Let me backtrack. So I'm a PhD student in UW School of Medicine, right? But my lab is in a separate entity. So the professor I work with, or my advisor, is actually an adjunct faculty of my department. So that means he's not really a faculty member, but he can train students. But he is at this really, really, really great, in my opinion, cancer research center called Fred Hutchinson Cancer Research Center. It's in South Lake Union, Seattle, which is maybe a 10-minute drive or bus ride from where my building is at UW. But he's a really nice guy, and we study basically the evolution of viruses, and we also study the human immune system, so the human immune response. I've joined that lab. I'm entering my 2nd year, and I'll make another video, maybe, don't hold me to this, but I'm going to make a video kind of explaining my first year of graduate school, and it was definitely the hardest time, one of the hardest times I've ever been through mentally, and I really want to make a recap video of that, but now it's not the time. But I've joined Eric's group at the Hutch, and he's just really been a great mentor, kind of really uplifted my mental health and my productivity levels, and just my way going about work. So big shout out to Eric. But back to my research. So I'm researching how the sequence of viral proteins or antibodies impacts their function or their fitness. So to put things into perspective, I'm recording this, I said a lot's been going on. We're in the midst of a global pandemic as I record this. I've been working from home since late February, early March, because of COVID-19. And my lab in particular focuses on how the human immune system creates antibodies and protects you from viruses and pathogens. So, naturally, while I'm rotating in this lab, COVID-19 happens. And my project at the time, which was, like I said, studying protein sequence and the relationship between function, I'll probably make a video on my research later, but it kind of became really important because COVID-19 is a virus that infects us and makes us sick, and it evolves, and that's how it evades our immune systems from responding and creating antibodies, because it's always evolving, kind of always running away from whatever response our immune system make up. So where my research kind of comes in is like, can we study all of the mutations or all of the possible combinations of sequences of our protein, and can we predict how well it would perform in our bodies or in a system similar to our bodies? So, like I said, I'm not going to speak too much on my research. I'll probably do that in another video, but my project that I was doing in my rotation as COVID broke out has kind of became like very, very applicable to like the common world. But all in all, I just wanted to kind of give you all a recap of what's been going on the last, I don't know, what has it been, like 16 months or something like that, since my last upload. I'm living across the country now. I'm in Seattle, and I'm finding my way, just trying to grow. I turned 23, and it's weird. I expected my first, I expected moving away to do my PhD. I expected it to be this really fun, really cool experience where I kind of find myself as a human being and as a person. And that did start to happen after, 3 or 4 months of severe imposter syndrome and lots of other mental issues that I'll probably dive deeper into in another video. That, I feel like that comes with the territory of starting a PhD program, but I was not prepared for it. And after that quarter, I got locks and everything, so you could say maybe I was going through some mental issues, or maybe I found enlightenment. But it's been an interesting ride, and I can't wait to share more with you all. I think I'm gonna probably call it quits for this video, but if you're interested in hearing more about my PhD experience, I'd be more than happy to go back and make videos detailing a lot of the challenges that I encountered during my first year at, I'm a flex right here, but one of the premier genetic or genomic / comp bio PhD programs in the world. I was drastically humbled, but I also learned a lot, and I'm very happy to be here. So, welcome to the new channel where vlogs probably aren't going to happen very much, just because Seattle was still in phase 2 of COVID restrictions, so I really can't do much. I can't really leave my apartment besides, maybe going on a walk, buying groceries, going to the gym. That's all I can do, and that's not really interesting vlogging material. But I'm gonna probably be doing these type of videos where I just kind of vent and talk about what I accomplished recently or what's happened recently during my PhD, and hopefully that's cool with y'all. But until next time, be easy, peace.